Typhoon Enteng entered Philippine Area of Responsibility. According to Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA, this was the first time that 4 tropical cyclones entered inside the Philippine Area of Responsibility during the month of May since 1948. The usual case is that the maximum tropical cyclones enter in the Philippines during the month of May is 3. Typhoon Enteng had an international name of Nakri. The PAGASA said that Typhoon Enteng just had an insignificant effect because it was not expected to affect any part of the country, but there was a big possibility that it might develop into super typhoon. The Typhoon Enteng is quite weak as it moved away from the Philippine Area of Responsibility. No storm signal were raised. Typhoon Enteng had a sustained winds of 165 km per hour near the center and gustiness of up to 200 km per hour and was moving north at 15 km per hour. It was spotted at 1,310 km northeast of northern Luzon or 630 km east-southeast of Okinawa, Japan. This is Anne of Synergy.